Dynamica Novators welcomes you all. You might be wondering what does Dynamica Novators stands for. It is Dynamic Innovators in Latin. Unplugged Inc. An incorporation of students with an initiative to venture into the market with the innovative product and for the benefit and the welfare of the society. Unplugged Inc. About the company, Unplugged Inc. was incorporated in 2012. After the rising alarms of the global warming, we step into the market by officially launching our first product, Dynamo Charger. I would like Bijal ma'am and Sujata ma'am to do.
Giờ nó cần cái mình được.
Well, now let's get to know our board of directors. I'm Parth Khaki, the CEO of Unplugged Inc. Visha Parekh is our director of operations. Nilomi Doshi, she is the marketing director. Viral Lodhia is our director of finance. And Pooja Shah, director of HR and training.
How did we get this idea? We thought about doing a dynamo charger because energy crises are because due to the supply of resources is less than the demands. So because of that, reduction in coal and petroleum reserves is faced, and because that leads to the consumption of fuel for electricity. The main product. Introducing a smart electricity harvesting cost-effective device which is surely to cut down on your electric expenses, the Dynamo Charger. A simple yet effective and innovative, the Dynamo Charger is used the kinetic energy of rotating things as its input and channelizes the same into electric energy. Charge simply anything with your new Dynamo Charger anytime, anywhere.
Now I'd explain you the principles on which the Dynamo Charger works. The Dynamo Charger is very simple to understand. It contains these features. First, the friction driver. It can rotate on its own, and the friction driver is attached to the axle and the soft iron core. All these three are attached to the rotating body. For example, the Dynamo Charger is attached to a fan or a cycle or the cycle wheel, as Viral is doing right now, and so the wheel is attached to the friction driver. The wheel moves, which along with it moves the friction driver, and so the soft iron core spins. And we all have studied the electromagnetic induction process in 10th standard. Agar dhyan dido hai to. And so it produces an AC current which is then directed through a small wire to a circuit. The circuit is made by us, which converts the AC current into DC current and into 6-volt DC current, which is then used to charge a cell or mobile, and it can be varied it can also charge a laptop or an iPod. Next. Applications. Well, our product is not just a single lane project. We have many applications of our product. It can be multiply used. For example, cycle charger. Attach the Dynamo Charger to the back wheel of the cycle, and you can charge anytime, anywhere. The fan charger, like it's it attached to the fan, and the axle of the fan moves, which in turn charges your. It can run any tube light or any lamp can run on it. Then the handheld charger. It is a mini portable device, and you can charge your cell anytime, anywhere. It can fit in your pocket also. It is this much small, and you move the crank you move this crank and you can charge your cell. Exercise bike chargers. In gyms, these are used in gyms right now. Like you exercise on the exercise bike and your cell is charged. Your cell is charging right now there. Range of products. These are the products which we manufacture. Yo-yo charger. You play with a yo-yo, right? And our product is based on the principle of electromagnet induction. So the yo-yo charger, in it is an inbuilt small dynamo charger, and the yo-yo spins, which generates electricity. Then you can connect the yo-yo to your mobile and the cell will charge. Keychain charger. Put it around your finger. It is this much small. You put it around your finger and you let it roll and it will charge your device. The dynamo shaver. Well, you will exercise a little before you shave. Advantages and implementations. Our product offers the following advantages. The dynamo charger is a unique concept and offers a wide range of products for the suitability of the customers. It utilizes the kinetic energy around us. For example, when you switch on a fan, the electricity is converted into kinetic energy. But what then? We just use it as a source of wind which just cools the room. But we wouldn't think that this energy can be further used to produce it back into electricity. Like electricity is converted to kinetic energy. Kinetic energy from the fan can again be converted to electricity by the dynamo charger. Reduces the dependence on the grid. The dynamo charger runs on kinetic energy, so you don't have to plug in your devices. That's what our company stands for, unplugged. Allows mobility of devices to any place in the world. Like National Geographic photographers are there. They take their cameras to Antarctica as well, and to the deepest portions of Ghana, the forests of Africa. There they don't have any option but to use such chargers which charge their cameras for a long while, because they can't afford to lose contact with the outer world then. Extra using hours. The same thing which I told right now. Reduces the overall cost of electricity production and consumption. Slowly, by the use of our range of products and applications, you can be independent of the grid. You don't need to rely on the grid provided by the government, because you can plug in your dynamo charger with all the fans of the house, plug into your cycles, cars. It can also be plugged into your bikes, and thus we can save a lot of energy. It is cost efficient. Obviously the electricity bills will go down, and it also compels the user to undergo little physical exercise.
Our company offers a wide range of products and after-sales services as well. Our main motto is to reduce our dependence on non-renewable resources and to get rid of the grid. Our salesmen readily serve the customers through door-to-door selling, fitting and repairing of the product. Our potential clients. We serve Indian as well as foreign companies: General Electric, Atlas Cycles, Avon Cycles, Nokia, Hercules, Boardman Bikes, Samsung, Hero Cycles, Centurion Bikes, Apple, Cannondale and Rees and Mueller. How to order? We have given an easier way to order your own products. You can contact us on our toll-free number 1800-128-1465, or you can email us at info@unpluggedinc.co.cc. You can also fax us on 0281-245-1646, or you may also visit our website www.unpluggedinc.co.cc. You can purchase our product from an Unplugged store nearby you.
Targeted market. We have targeted educated upper middle class. They would be our loyal clients and they can afford to buy our charger anytime. Then mostly for the Indian rural markets, because there are often power cut problems faced in these areas, and bikes and cycles are the widely used means of transportation there. And we have also targeted foreign markets. As we all know, global warming has become an international issue today. So all nations will take steps to prevent it, and a small step that all nations can take is use our dynamo charger. Promotional and marketing strategies. Our company has decided to make a substantial expenditure on the promotion and marketing to introduce our product in the market, so that public can become aware about our product. We have our salesman would readily deliver you our product at your doorstep. We are providing the first free fitting of the product. You can be the first lucky 100 buyers and get a discount of 30%. Buy two and get one product at 30% discount. We advertise our product through newspapers and magazines, and we have our hoardings placed at various places. Price. Keeping in mind the price of the ordinary chargers, we have decided our product price accordingly. This is the parity pricing concept, wherein the price of the product is directly linked with the another product price. So we have decided to price our product at rupees 499. We charge you rupees 50 per visit for services, excluding part replacement. An extra wire attachment would cost you rupees 30. Now, as we all know today, the world is developing at much faster pace than we have ever expected. So with more research and development in the future, we aim to harvest more amount of electricity with the same amount of input. Our goal is to get rid of the grid and run the house on our sets of dynamo charger. And with more efficient energy techniques, we aim to reduce our product price in the future.
Now I'll be telling you about our future goals. Like every other company, we also aim at becoming one of the most successful companies in the future. We also plan to invest more money in the field of research so that we can be more independent, we can generate more sources for energy independence other than fossil fuels. Also, we'll make sure that our quality of the products continue to improve, and the products that we supply are efficient enough to use. This is the hoarding that we will present. I request Pooja and Trisha to show you the hoarding.
For those who can't read this, it's Circuit, the Munna Bhai MBBS is famous, and he's saying, भाई वो देख अपनी आइटम तैयार हो रही है बिजली.
Now let's listen to our radio jingle.